video, I'm going to show you, KT, how to get a dog to stop nipping and kind of going after food. Okay, out. Good. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to gather a piece of food, or so this is treats, and Riley really wants it. I see she really wants it. So it's going to be good. She's very food motivated. So what I do is I have it in my hand, no, and I do that. Tell her no, and give a quick correction. So you do the same thing with Opie. Okay, have it in my hand. Good. Yes. Reward. Just like that. And we'll do that over and over. Okay, so you can have the leash in your left hand. Have the treat in your right. Okay, present it. Ah, no. Yes. Good. Okay. Present it. Good. Yes. And you can use an you can use a no, you can use whatever to kind of get the dog to understand, hey, that's not a good behavior. We'll do it again. Yes. Okay, we mark a reward. The point of the yes is to mark the good behavior that the dog did. A reward. And then you could even open your hand up if you want to take it to a little bit of an extreme level. Nope. Good. Yes. Yes. And then you can start getting into teaching the dog eye contact. So what I'm gonna have, let me see if I can get this way. What I'm gonna have her do is I'm gonna have her look at me. Yes. So you see, when she looked at the treat, the moment she looked at my face, I said yes and I rewarded. Yes. She looked in my eyes, I said yes and I rewarded. Yes. All right. I hope that makes sense, Katie. If you have questions, let me know. I'll talk to you soon.